We have a beautiful group of fabrics. These are all from Theory, from the designer Theory, the design group Theory. I want to show them to you and explain why I chose them. This is a navy, and it is just such a beautiful navy. It's just perfect for jackets. It is a stretch woven, slight stretch, not a lot, but just like a little bit of give. So it's beautiful for a jacket. Both sides are pretty much the same, so especially for an unlined jacket, which is what we're talking tomorrow night, it just works really beautifully. This is a beautiful royal blue ribbed. Oh my goodness, the color is just rich. Royal blue. Looks like, I can see why it's royal blue. Has a beautiful stretch to it. This is a cotton poly blend, cotton poly blend also, and these are all going to be $12.99 today only, just today, but you're going to see what I did with that. Tomorrow night, again, we're talking unlined jackets and just fun fabrics to use. This is amazing. It's a navy. The texture, again, from Theory, we had black. The black went so fast, but this is a navy, and it's just beautiful. I stretch in both directions. And again, it's a cotton poly. This is 100% cotton. Lightweight. This is a damask. You can see the weave is on both sides. It's really, really beautiful. 100% cotton, just a woven. And then this coordinates with it, isn't that beautiful? Just the color is just a little bit intensified in this one. An animal, but sheer. That is a cotton poly blend. And then also in this one, which coordinates it. And you can see how pretty those go together. The sheer being a little darker than this, which is very typical in these coordinating prints. So this is a cotton poly blend also. And again, $12.99 for today only, you guys. We're talking unlined jackets. We'll see you tomorrow night. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.